The Hindu society has often been labeled as patriarchal. But is that true, or is there more to our Bharata family systems? Many aspects determine the organization and functioning of a family. All these aspects can be found in the family systems in the Bharata society. These aspects are not mutually exclusive but can be found combined in different ways in different regions, eventually becoming local practices followed over generations. Let's look at some of the main aspects that have defined the family structures followed in Bharat. The first aspect deals with the authority or decision maker in the family. Patriarchal is where the father holds the position of authority and acts as the decision maker, but only after discussing it with his wife, Sahadharmini. Matriarchal is when the mother holds the position of authority and acts as the decision maker, but only after discussing it with her husband, Sahadharminna. The lineal aspect denotes the transfer of wealth and inheritance in the family. In a patrilineal society, wealth is transferred from father to sons and grandsons. The daughters are entitled to their stridhana. Matrilineal is when the wealth is transferred from mother to daughter. The unmarried daughters are a priority, followed by the married daughters and her children. Only when there are no daughters, the wealth goes to the sons. Both models are followed in Bharat even today, as the father's wealth goes to the sons and daughters, while the mother's wealth and jewelry are given to her daughters and granddaughters. The local aspect refers to the geographical location or which family the married couple chooses to live. Patrilocal is when the bride goes to the house of her husband to start a new family after marriage. Bharat predominantly follows the patrilocal model. In a matrilocal society, the groom goes to his wife's house to start a new family after the marriage. The groom is called Gharjamai in Hindi. The model is called Illarikam in Telugu. Though rare, the matrilocal model is also practiced in our society. It is prevalent in Kerala and Northeast India too. The next aspect is about the number of marriages a person can enter into. In monogamy, the man and woman have a single spouse and are married to each other. In polygamy, a man can have more than one wife, while a woman has a single husband. Bigamy is a subcategory of polygamy, where a man has two wives. In polyandry, the woman has more than one husband, and the man may or may not have other wives. Typically, all four models can be found across India, across times. For example, some kings had multiple wives. Rama followed monogamy. The Pandavas and Draupadi were in a polyandry and polygamy setup. Another aspect of the family structure was based on affiliations of the community. Endogamy is when marriages take place within the community. This was done to ensure the wealth and skills remained within their community. Exogamy is where marriages take place with people from outside the community. This was for gene pool spread. One other aspect of the family system was based on shared ancestry. In consanguineous marriages, the bride and groom belonged to families with shared ancestors or those who were blood relations of the other. The aspect of size is another matter too. The joint family is where the family members live together in the same house across generations, together. For example, the parents, children, grandchildren, uncles, aunts, cousins etc. live together in the same house. The nuclear family is where family members live independently in different houses. They could be in the same city or across the world. In Bharat, both models are still relevant today. As you can see, there are many aspects by which a family organization can be classified, and in each aspect, there are various models that the family can choose to adopt to function effectively and harmoniously within itself and with other families in society. The combinations are many and have existed all across Bharat through the times, giving rise to the diversity in the Bharata society we see today.